ये 5:30 की बात है, सो आई कुड नॉट बिलीव हम तो व्हाट हैपेंड नाउ मेरी मम्मा के हाथ से माय गॉड दिस पीपल हैव गॉट Hello guys, today I'm just moving out for home because I'm done with the second prof's practicals. Soon I booked a ticket to home and now I am in the bus to Balangir. Anyways, this was so overwhelming कि मैं बहुत जल्दी उठ गई थी before reaching Balangir as the right time was 7 but from 5 I was just looking at the road to get on and I am finally home. This was the longest time I guess. After 4 months, I'm coming back home, and literally, I was so happy to look at this beautiful morning and coming back home after so long. I was so overwhelmed to meet my sister, mama, papa, and everyone with extreme enthusiasm. क्योंकि मैं एग्ज़ाम से तुरंत बाद चली आई थी, आई couldn't get her anything but this little packets of her choice एंड देन थोड़ा सा बात करके मैं चली गई सोने बिकॉज आई वॉज लिटरली स्लीप डिप्राइव. मैं थोड़ा सा हॉस्टल में भी नहीं सोया करती थी क्योंकि घर आना था. और फिर आई टुक सम रेस्ट देन वोक अप टू द फ्रेशेस्ट मॉर्निंग आफ्टर दिस लॉन्ग मंथ्स ऑफ एग्जामिनेशंस प्रैक्टिकल्स एंड ऑल. लेकिन ये घर था एंड सी माई स्माइल. Then I brushed my teeth and I was ready for the breakfast from my mama's hand. While my sister was still asleep, she was waiting for me to wake up, and by then, mama said that she also slept. फिर मैं अपना लगेज अंदर रखी अपने रूम में एंड देन आई गॉट सेटल टू टॉक टू मामा. आई हैड स्टोर्ड अ लॉट्स ऑफ गॉसिप बट नो वेज सी वोक अप बाय द साउंड ऑफ माई बैग एंड सी स्टार्टेड showing me her new bag, her new stationery, her new books for the year, and then she asked me to put on the stickers on this book. She was waiting for me to put all this on her books and see how she was shooting the video. दीदी काना करछे दीदी बुक रे लगो छे कोई दे दीदी बोल के These are what my heart craves for. She cannot be that functional or playful, jump around with me, but she is the one who gives the pure love and attention to me. These are the little moments with her which I cherish for a long period of time and it is the most refreshing one. फिर पापा को पता था कि मैं वहाँ फ्रूट्स नहीं खा पाती हूँ सो बिफोर ही लेफ्ट फॉर ऑफिस ही हैड कट द फ्रूट्स एंड केप्ट इन द फ्रिज जो मैं निकाल के खाने लगी एंड आई वाज रियली एन्जॉइंग दिस एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम माई फेस इटसेल्फ. फिर मैं बाहर चली गई थी थोड़ा लाइक आई वेंट अपस्टेयर्स टू सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द स्काई वाज टर्निंग आउट. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा क्लाउडी हुआ रखता है वहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली एट द नून टाइम. देन ममा वाज सो हैप्पी टू सो दिस फ्रॉम द विंडो इटसेल्फ कि देखो ये बैकयार्ड का हार्वेस्ट यहाँ से ही दिख रहा है और तुम अच्छे से देखो. Then I went upstairs, came back to play some Ludo with my sister because she has learned this playing recently and she was so happy. She was waiting for me to play with her because Mama was saying that she did not win playing with the computer. Generally she likes playing with some person. And meanwhile, Mama was making this potato chip which she had prepared just before me coming to home, and it was really tasty. We enjoyed this. Then let me introduce my new microphone box which Papa had made, and I enjoyed singing songs with this. Anyways, मैं तो tired हो गई थी जल्दी lunch करके फिर से चली गई सोने because really I was craving to sleep at home. Then I woke up after 4 long hours of sleep and Papa was making for me lassi. Generally in summers I don't get time to come home, so this time I was, and he was very excited to let me taste all his recent discovered drinks. But I could not believe it's 5:30. It's 5:30 now and you will not believe the temperature is 41 degrees. Literally 41 degrees है. और ये 5:30 की बात है. सो आई कुड नॉट बिलीव हम तो अंदर रह जाते हैं बट बहुत ख़राब लगता है व्हेन आई गो आउटसाइड बिकॉज व्हेन आई सॉ माई प्लांट्स लाइक which mama takes care of. I wanted to plant like I wanted to water them but पानी भी इतना गर्म है भाई. You cannot believe they will just die in a minute. सोच रहे हो इतना गर्मी में उनको गर्म पानी पिला दूँगी मैं. It's literally so hard for them. ऑल्सो मैं अभी न्यूज़ देख रही थी तो वहाँ बता रहा था कि इट विल बी सो हार्ड, like 7 days of extreme heat on earth. Anyways, now I was just thinking, looking at the air conditioner, that knowing that we release a lot of CFCs and does a lot, like contributes a lot to global warming, we just don't care about its usage at least. यार हम 3 बजे से 5 बजे तक it was constantly on the lowest temperature, and you could not believe, it was so much cold inside. We were using these blankets to cover up, but now I went out and I could realize how much wrecking heat it is. Anyways, now my father went out and now I'm planning to study a bit. So now basically I have got this Uno cards today. I received this today afternoon itself, but we haven't played it. My sister has gone out somewhere with my mother, I think to my neighbor. So after she comes back, we'll be doing that. Now I'm thinking of doing a little bit revision of Dravya Gun or the herbal plants. As I'm very much underconfident about plants, like it's very hard for me to get on with plants. I'm knowing, at least I think I know only 20% of the plans we are taught. Sir or our professor has covered almost all, but 10% of it is retained in my brain. So now I'm thinking थोड़ा सा free time है तो I'll just go through that, because I am also interested in that, only because we don't give importance to all these things while doing about exams and theories. So I couldn't know that. Now I want to know about them. I want to look them on Google and know about them. At least the main indication or the mukhya karma that we are taught. So I'll be doing that from a PDF I have referred from somewhere out. I'll also link it below if you want. And now I'm really getting into this क्योंकि मैं आज सुबह भी थोड़ा सा पढ़ी थी. Now I'll be revising it. And I also do छोटा test about it, because I've also done the Agreya Karma little bit, छोटा जो होता है in bits. So let's see what's happening. And now it's hot outside, I know, but I think I should have some coffee, because आज afternoon I didn't sleep. I was watching a movie. You can see my eyes. I just literally cried. I was watching again Hi Nana. Literally Hi Nana मैं फिर से देख रही थी, because I found out in my drive today as I was clearing the drive out. So I found that I had, and I thought of watching it the whole afternoon. So I did that, and now I'm thinking of drinking. Hee, let's make coffee now. I'll just put it to boil. Okay, let's get out. I'll go out a bit क्योंकि I think I'll ask her. Now I'm going out a bit. I'll shout out to my mother. Shout out to my ma क्योंकि I had told her to keep the coffee bottle somewhere, and now I couldn't get it. I couldn't find that. She has kept somewhere, which like I drink it usually in the evening, so she doesn't like it. She doesn't choose to. Now I have to ask her where she has kept that. So I have called mama, and she has gone for some work to my neighbor. Until then, let me show you the plants I was telling about. They have gone dead almost completely. So mama has come. Let's see कि हमारा दूध ready है कि नहीं. So people, guess what happened now? मेरी मम्मा के हाथ से वो कॉफ़ी का बॉटल टूट गया था. So she threw away because it wasn't containing any more. थोड़ा सा एक स्पून जैसा था कॉफ़ी, जो मैं हॉस्टल से उठा के ले आई थी, because I like it the most. And अभी मैं ये नियर स्टोर से छोटा पैकेट्स लेके आ गई हूँ. And let us see कि मिल्क रेडी है कि नहीं. I'll just make a little bit of it. Anyways, let's make together. Let's enjoy the home wala coffee now. Soon after she came back home from the neighbor, my mama was started making me the moong ka vada, which I like the most. ये generally पूजा में हमारे घर में बनता है, but since when I am in like of this, mama makes this often when I visit home, and today was the day for me. आई वॉज थ्रू द होल प्रोसेस विथ हर, और इस बार लग रहा है मैं खुद से बना लूँगी. एनीवेज मम्मा के हाथ का प्यार तो कुछ अलग ही होता है. बट वी सिस्टर्स कैन नॉट वेट फॉर लॉन्ग. मम्मा बोली इसको थोड़ा छोड़ के खाना है, लेकिन वी जस्ट हेडेड आउट टू द किचन वंस शी गॉट आउट ऑफ इट, एंड देन आई टेस्टेड इट. And literally this is so soft and yummy. I couldn't say you. Anyways, ज़्यादा मुंह में नहीं जाना है क्योंकि I just cannot forget this taste after going back hostel. Anyways, पापाज ऑर्डर आया था कि ये सब चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा अरेंज करना है बिकॉज दिस इज़ द री एडमिशन टाइम फॉर आवर स्कूल, माई पापाज प्राइवेट स्कूल एग्जैक्टली. So we did this, and then she had some more things to show to me because she has started writing in this cursive writing or pattern writing book something, and she was showing this to me, and really how fast she's growing. Anyways, while we both were chit chatting, my mama made this jackfruit chili for me, which I enjoyed in dinner. You know, she never misses her work, left out anytime. So रात को भी ये सब कर रही थी वो. And meanwhile, I was enjoying the snack made by mama. और फिर हम दोनों फिर से थोड़ा सा अपना काम करने लगे. She was busy looking at her dues in the serial, and then we slept. Ta-da, bye bye.